finally, this is Google's new Pixel Watch. I've had it on my wrist for a few days at this point, and my early impressions are very, very favorable. It's early, sure, but I'm so excited to let you in on my thoughts so far, so let's get into it. We all watch the same presentation on the Pixel Watch that most of you likely have at this point, and the details that were unveiled weren't much of a surprise if you've been keeping up with the Pixel Watch saga over the past handful of months. The look of the watch, the bands, the general aesthetic has been quite public for a while, just like it has been with the Pixel 7 and the Pixel 7 Pro. Google's round, gorgeous watch is largely what we were expecting, but no presentations or spec sheets can tell you what it actually feels like. So let me try to do that for you. As I fully expected, the Pixel Watch oozes quality. The digital crown feels fantastic. The screen is really sharp and vibrant, and the look on the wrist is attractive and subtle, and there's just no denying the simple beauty of this device. The early selection of bands is nice, and there's going to be a little of something for everyone right out of the gate. Their unique turn and lock band attachment system works just as advertised, and after you get the hang of it, putting on a new band is pretty simple and painless. The metal bracelet band that they showed off looks way better on this watch than I expected too, and the ease of moving from one band to the next will really make the Pixel Watch the right accessory for just about any outfit or event. While Google didn't go into great detail on the processor, RAM, or storage, the official spec sheet does read 32 gigs of storage, 2 gigs of RAM, and the Exynos 9110 processor with a custom Cortex M33 coprocessor. Again, none of this is stuff that we didn't already know, and in reality, most people aren't really here for specs in a watch like they might be for a phone. Instead, it really just comes down to the look, the feel, the performance, and so far, I like what I'm seeing. The UI overall has been really smooth in all facets, and moving through tiles or settings or watch faces is smooth, it looks fantastic, and the crown navigation just makes it feel refined and tight all around. There's a slight haptic feedback when you scroll from the crown, and the gentle, satisfying click of the watch buttons all deliver this overall feel of confidence and quality, and I just love it. Google spent a good bit of time discussing the full Fitbit integration, and I'm generally happy with it. I can quickly see my steps, my heart rate, my sleep numbers, all with the built-in tiles, but I do miss the auto exercise detection you get on a standard Fitbit watch. I assume this could show up down the road, but the fact that they left this and the new AFib detection off the Pixel Watch that you get on standard Fitbits is a little strange to me. I've been really happy with the Google Assistant so far on the Pixel Watch 2. Sending messages, answering a few questions, and controlling connected devices around the house or the office is just a voice command away, and I've already found myself reaching for my Pixel Watch first to pull off assistant-related tasks. Additionally, having my Google Home controls on my wrist is a nice touch too, letting me just control lights without the need of pulling out my phone or talking to the Google Assistant. One feature I was secretly hoping for in the Pixel Watch is the ability to control your camera right from the watch. Yeah, I know Apple's had this on the Apple Watch for years, but I've been wildly envious of it, and I love that I now have this ability on my wrist moving forward. It even has the zoom in and out feature via the digital crown right out of the box. It's awesome. At the end of the day, a smartwatch needs to be great at providing useful info at a glance and good at just getting out of the way otherwise. I still need more real-life time to test how well that all works day to day after this honeymoon period is over, but I can absolutely tell you that the build quality, the fit, and the finish of this thing is totally legit and worth the wait. You never quite know how renders are going to translate, but this one, at least for me, is firing on all cylinders, and I can't wait to spend more time with it to really get a sense of whether or not the software fully lines up with this absolutely beautiful hardware. But guys, that's it for this one. If you enjoyed this video, give us a thumbs up, head down there, hit that subscribe button, and be sure to ring the notification icon as well if you'd like to be alerted when we make future videos just like this one. Until next time, we'll see you.